Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious mango smoothie. To begin, select 2 ripe mangoes, ensuring they are soft to the touch for the best flavor. You will also need 1 cup of liquid, such as water, milk, or juice, and a sweetener like honey or maple syrup. Consider adding half a cup of yogurt or a banana for extra creaminess and nutrients. Now, let's prepare the star of our smoothie. Carefully peel the mangoes, then slice the vibrant flesh away from the large, flat pit. Once separated, dice the mango into small, manageable pieces. This makes blending much easier and ensures a consistently smooth texture. You can also use frozen mango chunks for a colder, thicker smoothie. It's time to blend. Pour your chosen liquid into the blender first, followed by the diced mango and any other ingredients like banana or yogurt. Start blending on a low setting, then gradually increase the speed until everything is perfectly smooth. If the smoothie is too thick, add a splash more liquid. For a thicker consistency, add a few ice cubes. Your refreshing mango smoothie is ready. Pour it into a tall glass. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with a slice of fresh mango, a few berries, or a sprig of mint. Enjoy your homemade creation immediately to savor its vibrant flavor and nutritional benefits. This is a perfect treat for any time of day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.